Welcome back the third time and the last time. Today I'm gonna um, do the last video on my channel, and it's not gonna be the last video in the world, but it's gonna be today's last video, and then maybe tomorrow I'll make a new video, or maybe after tomorrow in the week. So all I want to show you today is that I'm done. I made the new channel. Here it is. It's called Muhammad JN2. Please subscribe to that channel. So today I'm not here for the channels, but I'm here to show you what I used on this video right here. What I used on this video right here, what I used on this video here is this app. It's called it is called Visual Studio Code. To make apps, to make games, to make anything. Here it is. This is sorry about that. My battery is low. So let me stop the video a little bit. So here it is. I showed you, and the other response is Python. I study on Python and I made a lot of things. I haven't used it in a while because I started studying this. But if you want to study Python, I will send it to you guys. So make sure to subscribe first. Today I will be showing how did I make some videos of my other channels. So here is everything that I made. And look what I made. So this is Forza Motors, Forza Motorsport 8, Forza Horizon 5 if you know it, Forza Horizon 4, Forza Horizon 2, Forza Horizon 3, first time, Xbox games, I did a video about it, Forza Horizon 1, file, file. This is about the cars, and here is a video about a Mustang. Oh, picture about a Mustang. And here is a video about the Mustang. This is not it. Sorry for swearing, guys. Um, anyways, I want to show you the gaming. This one is about Lewis Hamilton. I made one about Lewis Hamilton, and it is my first time that I did this. This is Xbox games that I did a video about. This is Forza Horizon 1. Look at it. Here's a video of Forza Horizon 1. Forza Forza Horizon 3. Now is Forza Horizon 3. 1 second. This is Forza Horizon 2. And this is Forza Horizon 4. This is Forza Horizon 5. This is the one about controller. And this is the other video. This is the last one. It is Forza Motorsport 8. That's it. Next one, and that's it. So these were the apps that I made. And I made the pictures actually. I didn't get them from anything. I don't know what are these pictures. They are my account actually. This is JN2. JN. Make sure to subscribe to these channels, and it is day, the bestest day of my life. I want to reach 1 million, and then I could make money and be rich. It's my dream, to be honest. I wish I wish all the best with my videos. I did actually make a video. I don't know. There it is. Um, and this is the last time I'm gonna make a video today, and then maybe tomorrow, after tomorrow. So this is the channel. It's the response of this video. I'm gonna write them on my account. I I see these are my channel. These are both of these are my channels. I will remove this picture because here's the other channel. So I'll write them both. The first one is Python. Python download. Here it is. And here is Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna write them on in chat today, and I want you all to get them if you actually want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. Here they are. Okay? Make sure if you want to study them, okay, but if you don't want to, also okay. So I wish all the best for you guys. And if you want to see actually what I made in Python, this is what I made about cars. So if you want to use it, so let me make a new file and teach you a little bit how to use this. New Python file. If you want to make a file, all you need to do, click new and click Python file. I want to write study for channel No, I don't know how to write channel, but that's it. If you want to make it even bigger screen, click View, Appearance, Enter Presentation Mode. Like that. So I want to make hello is a name. Oh, you can't write it like that. Hello. It's not working either. All you need to do is okay. Let me write. Here we go. I did it. So this is all. I want to make it here JN. Oh, JN. Hello world. Print hello world. X. This is my favorite number. You can write whatever you want. Your name. Print Y, print X, Z. You'll have to write these here, or that's it. You have to write these things here. If you want to do this, click run. Oh, sorry. I don't want about cars. Well, it's not about cars. I don't know what is happening. Oh my god. So we keep going. It's finally fixed. So if that that thing happened with you, it's because wait a minute. It's because I don't have current file. But there we go. I removed the one that I had, and here it is, current file. So everything is routed here. Look. Hello world. Muhammad Ezeldin. I can change it into JN. I want to change it for JN. Again. Get away. Here it is. And I'm gonna write here friend is what? This is actually my best friend in the whole world. His name is what? That's it for today with Python and everything here. So I remind you, here is the name of this and the name of this. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe. Maybe today I'll make a video about gaming or playing video game and get money. I wish all the best for you guys. Please remember to subscribe to Muhammad JN2 and Muhammad JN1. Muhammad JN could be called. I wish you all the best. See you later and bye.